Hi, I'm Marci Bailey with Bailey's Fine Jewelry. In today's video, we're going to talk about traveling with your fine jewelry. Similar to clothing, it's important to plan ahead when packing your jewelry so you can bring versatile pieces and avoid overpacking. Once you've chosen the jewelry you want to bring with you, lay everything out and either take a photo of it or write down each piece you're taking. That way you know exactly what you brought and you won't have to try and remember if a piece you don't see is safely at home or lost on vacation. We suggest packing your jewelry in small Ziploc bags called poly bags, tissue paper, or bubble wrap. You can find these items at many paper stores or online. It's best practice to put one piece of jewelry in each bag so that your jewels don't come in contact with one another. When storing necklaces, be sure to clasp them so they are less likely to tangle. Then store them in a poly bag with the clasp outside the bag so you can pull it out easily and prevent tangling of the chain. When storing earrings, put one earring in a poly bag and then put that poly bag inside another poly bag that contains the other earring. This will keep them together, but will prevent them from scratching each other. When storing things like bracelets or watches, you can lay them flat and roll them in some tissue paper to avoid creating a bend in your chain, which might weaken the hinges and cause your jewelry to break. Always store your jewelry in your carry-on or personal item and never store it in your checked baggage. Always be sure that whatever bag you put them in has a closable top so your jewelry can't fall out on the plane or in the car. Once you arrive at your destination, establish one location where you will put on and take off your jewelry and stick to it. You don't want to have your fine jewelry spread out over a hotel room. Keep everything on one surface so there's never a question of where it is. Lastly, it's always a best practice to have your jewelry insured. We recommend insuring anything over $5,000 by attaching a rider to your homeowner's or renter's insurance or through a third-party insurer like Jewelers Mutual. If ever you have any questions about maintaining or keeping your jewelry safe, ask your trusted jeweler. Reputable jewelers like Bailey's will have all the tips, tricks, and tools to keep your jewelry safe and sparkling. Also feel free to stop into one of our stores or send us a DM if you have questions about taking care of your jewelry wardrobe. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel below.